Alright guys, we're going to be downgrading this fire alarm system. So, all the fire alarms are out. This is an older trouble bell. So it's going to be more vintage style. So, have that here. Bro, I'm blind. I only had gray concrete. So for this fire alarm system, it's going to be horns and strobes. You get this bell out of here as well. It's an old style system. So, just place the note blocks. So we replaced the fire alarms. As you can see, it has horns and strobes. Now we replace the sprinkler alarm outside. Right here. Right, so a horn is installed here as well. So here's what the system is. We're gonna expand it. This is the full finish of the fire alarm system. It has all this, so expanded it. Alright, so here's the finish of the fire alarm system. Now we're going to test the sprinkler system. That's the sprinkler alarm. So that's the fire alarm system.